are ideal for tabletop decorations. So first thing is select some indoor plants, some ornamental plants which are really very good indoors, and put them in decorative cups or mugs that you have, and after that you can keep them in your tabletops and your study tables, and even in your kitchen tables you can use these decorative plants. So we'll see what are the plants that fit into tabletops. So today I selected this money plant. It's in a coffee mug, and this is a beautiful plant to decor indoors as a decorative plant. So the first plant is money plant. So here I have it in my living room. You can use a table mat or even another any ceramic cup to keep this as a holder so that it gives a little bit height. So you can decorate your dining table this way. Another idea to keep money plant in this metal vase is a very decorative idea, and also you can add green to your tabletop. Now this is a side table where I have some decorative pieces, so use this money plant this way in a metal vase so that it adds green to your home. So this is another way of adding plants. Plants like aloe vera and spider plants will do wonders in your study table. So this is another idea to keep aloe vera plants in mugs or whatever the ceramic jars that you have, and keep them in your study table as a decorative idea. Lucky bamboo plant also nicely fit in as an indoor plant, so you can grow them in small pots and keep them in your indoors for decoration. So now here I have kept it in a side table, and it's on a beautiful decorative this is a cane basket where it adds so much of beauty. And also along with that I have another aloe vera plant in a mug where I have decorated. So now two plants I have selected here. One is aloe vera and lucky bamboo. They really look like artificial plants, and so much beauty to your dining table or your side table. These plants are ideal for a bookshelf also. Now here this ornamental spider plant is in top of a bookshelf, and also sansevieria and another. Then again I have a spider plant. They are also very decorative pieces for the bookshelves. This is a kids bookshelf, so you can use them decoratively. So these are all in mugs where there are no drainage, and that is the secret, because there will be no water in the drainage. If you have a drainage hole, then you will have to keep a plate or something to gather the water that is draining out. So now here my idea is using no drainage hole mugs as a tabletop decorative idea.